Why does your scanner show the P2554 engine code? What does it mean? P2554 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle or fuel inhibit circuit low. The P2554 engine code for Indicate Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an abnormally low voltage in the circuit that controls fuel delivery and engine throttling. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty fuel injection control module, damaged or corroded wiring, defective crankshaft position, sensor, PCM malfunction, defective fuel injectors. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chrysler, Chevrolet, Ford, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.